Moen offers a full line of garbage disposals featuring a range of horsepower levels to meet the needs of any homeowner. In this video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to hardwire a Moen garbage disposal. We recommend hardwiring the garbage disposal before mounting it to the sink. Installation may vary with models manufactured before 2017. Step 1. Preparation. Moen garbage disposals are designed to operate on 110 to 120 volt 60 Hz, which is standard in most homes. All wiring connections and enclosures must comply with local electrical codes. If you have any questions, check with a qualified electrician. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using an adjustable wrench, a flathead screwdriver, wire cutters, wire strippers, and safety glasses if desired. You may also need to purchase some additional materials, such as a cable connector and electrical wire nuts. Before getting started, turn off the power supply for the garbage disposal at the fuse box. Step 2. Remove the electrical cord from the garbage disposal. Turn the garbage disposal upside down. Unthread the nut on the bottom plate and remove the plate. Remove the metal clip from the groove on the cord where it enters the disposal. Cut the white neutral and black hot wires close to the connectors. Then cut the green ground wire just before the groove where the cord enters the disposal. Now pull the electrical cord out of the housing. Step 3. Connect the power supply cable to the garbage disposal. Insert a cable connector into the access hole of the housing. Thread the nut onto the connector, then secure it in place with a flathead screwdriver. Strip about a ½ inch of insulation off the end of the black hot, green ground, and white neutral disposal wires. Insert the power supply cable through the cable connector and tighten the cable connector screw to secure it in place. Connect the coordinating disposal and power supply cable wires with electrical wire nuts. Do not cross the white and black wires. Give the wires a little tug to make sure there's a good connection. Carefully position the connected wires into the housing and replace the bottom plate. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Now you're ready to install your Moen garbage disposal. A complete installation video is available at moen.com. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services